Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Limits and derivatives chapter completed. Today, we are going to the next chapter, 7th chapter, permutations and combination. Permutations and combination. First of all, before discuss the permutation combination, fundamental principle of counting. First main fundamental thing, fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting, this is not a sufficient definition. One example is there. 3 pants P1, P2, P3, 3 pants, 2 shirts S1, S2, 3 pants and 2 shirts. 3 pants and 2 shirts are given. Again, how to wear pair, how to arrange pair. Pair means shirt to pant. What are given? 3 pants and 2 shirts are given. Okay. So, how to arrange pairs? Pairs means one shirt, one pant. Each pair equal to pant to shirt. How many types of pairs are there? How many pairs are there? How many pairs? P1, P2, P3, 3 shirts. P3 pants, 2 shirts are given. So, you can arrange pairs, shirt to pant to one pair, shirt to pant to one pair, one dress, shirt to pant. How to arrange? So, how many pairs are there? How many pairs will come? How many pairs? Pairs means shirt to pant to is equal to one pair. Shirt to pant to, combination of shirt and pant is equal to one pair. How many pairs will come? How many pairs will come? P1, P2, P3. So, this is shirt 1, shirt 2. How many pairs means? So all are different pairs, not equal pairs. Okay. So first one, pant 1, shirt 1, pant 1, shirt 1. Next one, pant 1, shirt 2. Next, second one, pant 2, shirt 1, pant 2, shirt 2. Next, third one, shirt 1, shirt 2, pant 2, 3, shirt 1, pant 3, shirt 2. How many pairs are different pairs? No, P1 S1. Next, there is no P1 S1. P1 S2. No P1 S2. Different pairs. Different pairs. How many pairs are there? 6 pairs. 6 pairs. Clear? 6 pairs. So, okay, clear. So, what is the meaning of fundamental principle of counting? What is the meaning? Fundamental principle of counting means this is 3 pants, 2 shirts, totally 6. So, E6 equal to E6. Okay, simply by using the formula of fundamental principle. How many is simple. So what are they means? This is common procedure, this type of procedure. So how many means 3 pants into 2 shirts, 3 into 2 is equal to 2, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So different pairs. For example, 100 shirts, 10, 100 pants, 10 shirts. How many pairs? Simply 100 into 10, 1000 pairs simply by using the fundamental principle of counting. So there is no fundamental principle of counting, there is no formula, there is no this is the fundamental principle means so this is 1000. How to arrange this? Very impossible, possible, but very lengthy procedure. So the lengthy procedure by using the simple procedure, fundamental principle of counting, fundamental principle of counting, m into n. M pants, n shirts, m into n. No, not only shirts, pants, anything, anyone. Okay, this is the meaning of fundamental principle of counting. Okay, clear? This one. In the first exercise 7.1. In the first exercise 7.1, totally depending on the fundamental principle of counting. Exercise 7.1. First problem. How many 3-digit number can be formed from the digits 1 to 5? How many 3-digit number? How many 3-digit means what? 1 2 3 1 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 1 4 3 1 3 4. The 3-digit number. 3-digit. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed from the digits 1 2 3 4 5 using 5 digits. Okay, arrange 3-digit numbers using 5 digits 1 2 3 4 5 digits. Arrange 3-digit number. Assuming that first one, repetition of the digits is allowed. Repetition of the digits is allowed. Repetition allowed means 3-digit number. First of all, you draw the 3 boxes. This 1 2 3-digit number means you have to draw 3-digit number, 3 boxes. 5-digit number means 5 boxes. Repetition allowed means 1 2 2 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 3 3 3 2. This type of numbers. This type of numbers, how many will come? It is impossible. How many will come is calculating is impossible. Calculate impossible. So the repetition of the digit allowed means so this one, same number repeat number of times. Same number repeat number of times. So this is the first box, second box, third box, say, or first box, second box, third box. Clear? So in the first box, how many digits? How many digits using? How many digits are? 5 digits, because total how many digits are given? 5 digits. So 5 digits. 5 digits allow. 1 no. For example, 3-digit number 1. Next to 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5. all 5 numbers will allow. We have to allow. Next, second box also allow 5 numbers because repetition allowed. Because repetition allowed. Repetition, for example, here 1, here also 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For example, 1 is fixed. The second thing also repetition allowed means a number can repeat number of times. So this is also 5 ways. The 5 numbers will allow. We can allow. This is also third box also. We can allow 5 digits. So what are they? 5 into 5 into 5 by the fundamental principle of counting. 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 125. 125 3 digits numbers will come. 125. Repetition allowed, this type of also. Repetition without repetition. Total. Okay. So the first box. The first place filled by all 5 digits. All 5 digits equal to 5 ways. So repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. So the second place filled by all 5 digits because repetition allowed. Repetition allowed. So this is also 5 ways. The third place filled by all 5 digits. This is also 5 ways. By the fundamental principle of counting. By the fundamental principle of counting. So total 3 digit numbers. Total 3 digit numbers are 5 into 5 into 5. So that is equal to 125. This is the first one. Okay. Next, repetition not allowed. Second one is in the first problem, second bit, repetition of digits is not allowed. Repetition of digits not allowed. Repetition of digits not allowed. Repetition of digits not allowed means the repetition allowed or repetition not allowed. Any problem, first 3 digit number means first we have to draw 3 boxes. The first place filled by 5 numbers, any 5, 1, 2, 3. 1 means the starting with 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, this type of. So this is 5 ways. Next, second place filled with only 4 ways because already one number, any number in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in 5, any one number fixed. For example, here 1 is fixed. For example, 1. So here 1 is not repeated. 1 is not repeat because the repetition of digit is not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed means which type of numbers? 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 3, 4. This is all elements are, all digits are in each digit in the three digit different. So in the first two boxes, first one is fixed. One is fixed means the second box without one means repetition not allowed means so without one means how many? Remove one, remaining 1, 2, 3, 4 ways. Okay, next third place filled with only 3 ways, 3 digits. What are they? For example, here 1 is fixed, here 2 is fixed. So 1, 2 remove. The remaining digits are, we can write. The remaining digits are, we can write. This is the difference of repetition allowed, repetition is not allowed. Repetition allowed means any number repeated any number of times. This is any number only single time. So 5 into 4 into 3. So the first place filled by all 5 digits, that is equal to 5 ways. So the second place filled by 4 digits equal to 4 ways. Okay, next the third place filled by 3 digits because repetition is not allowed by the fundamental principle of counting. Simply fundamental principle of counting. So the total 3-digit numbers, 5 into 4 into 3 equal to 60 only. 5 into 4 into 3 60 only. So the second problem is how many 3-digit even numbers? How many 3-digit even number? 3-digit even number. Three-digit even number. Second problem, 3-digit even number formed from the digits from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the digit can be repeated. If the digit can be repeated. If the digit can be repeated. If the digit can be repeated means, for example, 3-digit number. First we have to draw the 3 boxes. What is the meaning of even number? Even number, the unit place. This is the unit place, tens place, 100 place. The unit place must be filled by the even number or 0 even number. For example, 21 is even number. 21 is not a even number because 21, the unit place is 1. 1 means odd number. 22 is a even number. Okay. So the unit place is filled by only 2, 4, 6. Only 3 ways. What are they? 2, 4, 6. Only 2, 4, 6. Okay, only 2, 4, 6, only 3 ways, because even number. Even number means must be even number in the unit place. So 3, 4, 6. The remaining 2 places, tens places, 100 places are any number. So any number means 1, 2, how many numbers? 6, 6. This because can be repeated. This is only 2, 4, 6. Here 6, 6, 6. So okay, clear? Solution. The unit place. The unit place can be filled by even number. 2, 4, 6 is 3 ways, because we want even 3-digit number. So next, unit place. Next, the tens place can be filled by any number, is 6 ways, because repetition allowed. The 100 places can be filled by any number. Is any number means how many numbers are given? 6 numbers. By the fundamental principle of counting, the total even 3-digit numbers are 6 into 6 into 3, 36 into 3, 108 ways. 108 ways. Okay. First of all, how many digit number? 3-digit number, 3 boxes. Repetition allowed. Repetition allowed means all numbers. First place, second place, third place, all numbers. Repetition not allowed. First place, total numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Decreasing by 1. Okay, clear? Next, third problem. Third problem. How many 4-letter code? 4-letter code. 4-letter code formed using the first 10 letters. First 10 letters of English alphabet. First 10 letters. First 10 letter means A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I, J. First 10 alphabetical letters. By using the first 10 alphabetical letters, using 4-letter word, 4-letter code or 4-letter word. 4-letter word means we have to draw 4 boxes. Okay. If no letter can be repeated, no letter can be repeated, no letter can be repeated. No letter can be repeated means the first place filled by how many letters are there? 10 letters. The first box or last box. Okay, the first box filled by the 10 letters. Next 9, 8, 7, because no letter can be repeated. No letter can be repeated means first 10 9 decreasing by 1. So total letters, total codes is equal 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. So 10 into 9 90, 90 into 8 720, 720 into 7 0 14 40. So 5040 letter codes will come. 5040 letter code will come. As a repetition allowed means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10, 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10,000 letter codes. Here no letter repeated means 5040 letters will come. Okay, clear? So this is the first class. Tomorrow I will continue the next one.